Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. You will see two nice gadgets in this video. Please do not drag the video until the end. You can get new review gadget video in this gadget channel. The video that will be shown now in electronics gadget. Necessary gadget for your everyday life. Do subscribe to gadget channel and press the bell button. Please like, comments and share. The link is given in the description below. Let's go latest gadget videos. Number 1. XS-Lab Mobile USB-C. The XS-Lab USB-C mobile kit combination functionality with for the ultimate vlogging experience. Upgrade your audio and your video with those three external tools. XS-Lab USB-C is the perfect companion for exchange dialogue application on mobile device and computer. Featuring an omnidirectional clip-on microphone, a 2mm 6.6 cable. XS-Lab provide a clean, natural upgrade for your interview, presentation, produce and more. Idea for voice recording or video conference. XS-Lab USB-C with help to isolate your voice, providing processing and interrogating. Number 2. Car Capsule CF1. Car Capsule CF1 carbon fiber series showcase indoor clean car bubble with frame. The Car Capsule CF1 carbon fiber series indoor showcase has painted shape supporting array cambers and a connecting hours field arrive flow system that complete produce your vehicle from duty. Side across door panels provide easy walk in enter. Supported by 0.60 mm heavy duty PVC array cambers only, no metals or plastic forms. Purchase sensitives pump to maintain array. 0.35 mm clean PVC plant. 0.45 mm PVC flat is middle absorb and frame resistor, improving to oil gas. Rust free 100% nylon coils